Hi, Kathya here. Our workshops in New Orleans are coming up soon. It's 9 days residency from the 17th to the 25th. Lots in the program: morning dance, breath work, constellation work, belonging workshops on 2 weekends, all about how to consciously enter our body and how to find this residency inside of ourselves. So the general theme is belonging. You're belonging, you belong. Have we forgotten about this, or is it a skill? We are using many different facets of the different things we're offering to really penetrate and to understand and to practice in a moving body what this belonging means to us. I mean, it seems to be very relevant at the moment because we're belonging less and less, even if the social media and all of this makes us believe we belong more, but in actual fact we're losing that internal belonging. And I don't like to say losing. I would love to think it's a rediscovery of how to really belong. And of course, always starts with yourself. So these workshops are planned and based on creating that effect. It's also fun and easy. You don't need to know anything about dancing. You just need to be willing to move your body. So I hope to see you there. It's at the Tigermen Den. You can register online. It's all on the posters, or you can call me if you have questions, or email me. I'll do my very best to answer you as soon as possible. And I hope that we see you there. Bye for now.